Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add location on Ring app. So to get started, let's open Ring app. Make sure you have already downloaded Ring app on your device. As soon as open your Ring app, you will get this kind of interface. Here on top left corner you can see 3 bar, tap on it. And now you can see no location on top left corner. Beside this no location, you can see downward arrow, tap on it, and you can see add a location, tap on plus button. Now in order to add a location, first you have to set up for your location. Tap on continue button. What type of location you want? Select accordingly. Let me select home and continue. Now here enter your address. And use this address. And save location. In this way you can add location on your Ring app. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank